Alright guys, we're going to be drawing a super duper cute squirrel with an acorn today. So let's start off by drawing his really big eyes. So we're going to draw two upside down U shapes. And as you can see, they are very big because we want our squirrel to be super cute. Now this is optional, but I am adding this thicker line on the top of the eye. Thicker line on the top of the eye. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. I just think it's extra cute that way. And we're going to draw a circle on the inside of each eye. That's for the pupil. And then to really show off how cute the squirrel is, we're going to add a couple more circles. So here's another circle, and then another small circle. And like this oval bean looking shape on the bottom. Alright, awesome. When that's done, we're going to color in that big circle. So the first circle that we drew, we'll go ahead and color that in. And it's okay to take your time and go slow with coloring this. I know it takes a little while. I always try to take my time and go slow, that way it doesn't look sloppy or messy. The last thing we want for our drawing is to have the coloring go outside the lines, or there be a lot of white space that isn't the circles and stuff that we drew. So feel free to go slow, take your time, we're not in a rush. And it'll make a huge difference in your drawing, I promise you that. Alright. I'm gonna add these teeny tiny little eyebrows on the top here. And then we've got his teeny tiny little nose, his snout, his mouth, and then of course his little teeth. Look how tiny they are compared to his eyes. He's so adorable. Okay, then we have his ears. We'll draw his ears. And then of course we gotta draw the inside details too. So it's kind of like a circle with two little zigzags on the bottom, and then it goes back up. And we'll draw the hair on the top of his head. So we got a zigzag, another zigzag, and then one more. Perfect. We're going to draw the sides of his head. Start off with a slightly curved line on the side. Then we're going to draw his fluffy face. So 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. Oh, I just love how cute he's turning out, you guys. And we're going to draw his little acorn here. So we drew the stem of the acorn, and then we're going to finish off the top of it. I'm adding a lot of these curved lines. Then we just need to draw the bottom of the acorn. So it curves, goes down in a point, and then comes back up. So you can see we're leaving some space here. That's going to be for the paws. So here's the first paw here. He's holding onto the acorn. He's got two little fingers there, and it comes back up. We'll do basically the same thing on this side, except this paw's a little bit lower. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. Draw his tummy and one of his hind legs. 1, 2, 3. Goes down and connects down here. There's one. And then basically the same thing right here. 1, 2, 3, down. Finish his tummy here. Then we'll draw his back. And then his leg. Now here's my favorite part. We're going to draw his really big tail. So his tail is just as long as he is, so we're going to have fun with this. Big zigzag. Woo, another zigzag. And up. stop, and then a curved line. We're gonna go boop, 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 bring it around town, and then stop at his ear. And there you have it. Then you can color your squirrel. They come in quite a few colors. They could be red, they could be brown, they could be black, but I made mine a brown squirrel. Have fun coloring, guys, and thank you